Begin by syncing your breath with the gentle rhythm of this sound. Inhale softly for a count of 4, 2, 3, 4. And exhale slowly for a count of 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let your body settle into its own natural pace. No effort, no forcing, just allowing. This tone is often associated with harmony in nature. The flow of water over stone, the quiet symmetry of petals, the steady rhythm of your own breath, the gentle order that already exists inside you. As you listen, imagine your body remembering this rhythm, not learning it, remembering it. Feel a soft coherence begin to spread. Your breathing finds an easier cadence. Your thoughts slow, not by force, but by relief. Your body releases the need to control, fix, or push. You don't have to hold everything together right now. You are being held by the rhythm itself. Imagine this frequency moving through you like light through a prism, not changing you, simply revealing what's already aligned. Where there was tension, space. Where there was noise, quiet. Where there was effort, ease. Now, picture your body as an orchestra. Each breath an instrument. Each heartbeat a gentle tempo. Each cell a small point of awareness. Not striving to be perfect, just settling into harmony. Notice what happens when you stop trying to regulate everything and allow yourself to be regulated by calm. Your shoulders soften, your jaw releases, your inner world becomes quieter, not empty, but peaceful. You are not only relaxing, you are returning. Returning to your natural rhythm. Returning to your inner coherence. Returning to the part of you that has always known how to settle. Rest here for a moment. Let the sound carry you, not forward, not backward, just here. In this space, nothing is demanded of you. Nothing needs to be proven. Nothing needs to be fixed. Only experienced. And when you're ready, take one slow, gentle breath in and let it go. You are balanced. You are grounded. You are home in yourself.